Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to enter a library item, a new library item, or a book or a DVD or a CD or any other item that you want to keep into our library management system. Mastersoft Banker comes with an inbuilt library management system which is simple and easier to operate. When you log in, either as an administrator or as any other user or staff, you go to our library tab here. From there we have two panels: library transactions and library reports. On library transactions, you click the first button which says enter new library item. When you click it, in enter new library item form will pop up, and on it you'll find that there are fields to fill as you enter a library item. The book number, this is an automatically generated number. The application will count how many books you have in the database and it will add 1. So each entry will, this number will be increased by 1 digit. Excuse me. Therefore, this one you don't need to calculate it, the system will calculate it automatically. Then what do we do apart from that? We shall have to enter all these fields and then we shall save. But before we do that, you need to know which kind of book are you going to enter or item, and how does it where does it fall. In this system, I have used what we call a dual decimal classification system we use in libraries, in most libraries. It is an international standard of classifying books and other items in the library. So, you'll come here to do a decimal classification made department. You select where you think the item you want to enter falls. For example, what I'm going to enter falls under social sciences. And when I select social sciences, I'll come down here to subdivision. These classes, this classification, this is the main classification, but it is split into other sub classifications. So you click here, you find that the book I'm going to enter it falls under either economics or commerce. Let me select economics. I can as well select here the book condition. I say it's new. I'm going to enter new book. Now I'll come here to get the book title. For example, let me first get its image for clarity. You browse where you kept the books and their images. It's a good practice to have book images. Get a small kind of let me look for one book here. Okay, let me take this. It's okay. This book, I'll enter its title: Money, Banking and Finance. I'm using the title on the book cover. I took an image of the book. Author is N.K. Sina. Publisher, Magical Book Series. say magical book publishers. Edition. Possibly this might be the first edition of the book. Almost all fields are filled up. I'm going to create a duodecimal classification number. I will use this one because the book falls under economics, and get the first 3 letters of the last name of the author, and I'll say it's copy number 1 of the book. If I have other books, so we have to give them copies. Yeah, 330, that is social sciences, and in social sciences it goes under economics. The author is seen here, Sina, and copy 1. So after doing that, if the date is right, it's okay. If you want to change them, you can change the date. So you say save, say new library item registered successfully. Now from there, the system will automatically generate for you, will keep the data in the database for you, and that book will be registered. What we do here, you can cross check the books we have. You can say books, you can check here for the books we have in the library, and it will generate a report for you here. We can maximize it, and we can minimize this ribbon. We can increase the zoom to 25 or to 50. You scroll down. This is the last book we've entered. This is the number we gave. Money Banking, Magical Book Publishers, first edition, and its picture is here, though it's small in size. Yeah, okay. That's how we enter book into the library, and you can use it to borrow it out, to give it out to people who want to use it. I've put some kind of note here for you to read here for some issues concerning how to know how to number to assign book numbers, as well as the size of the picture here of the book. I say should be 300 by 300 dimension, or 10 kilobytes in size. Yeah, you can read through and see, so that you do a better work. Yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.